Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It all depends on where you are hearing us from. We have come with another information, and this one is very, you know, wonderful. Like, I can tell you that Finland is today celebrating their independence, and our prime minister shared something on X, that is Twitter, and that is what I want to share with you, so that you'll be on the same page where we are. All right. Yeah, let's hear him out and then I'll be right back. I just have to play a repeat of this because it's so touching. I love the way our Prime Minister is carrying himself. He's a bona fide citizen of Finland. Wonderful. Always participating in things that matter in Finland. But this is how gorgeous and how powerful Biafra nation will be. Serious-minded people running the real business of a country. I want you to watch this again.